The 2018-2024 Ford Mustang Smart Key, also called a remote fob, uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery to communicate with your car. This battery powers essential functions like unlocking the doors and starting the engine. A CR2032 battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years with normal use, though extreme temperatures can shorten its lifespan. You'll know it's time for a replacement when the key fob becomes less responsive. No specialized tools are required for this simple replacement. Replacing the battery is straightforward. First, use a small flat tool like a screwdriver or pry tool to carefully open the key fob. Note the battery's polarity before removing the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the correct side facing up. Snap the fob case back together. No reprogramming is typically needed. If the fob doesn't work right away, try a quick sync by starting the car.